Welcome to Section 1 of our Video Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about what video ads are all about, why you should use video ads for your business, and what types of video ads are available nowadays. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What video ads are all about. In today's fast-changing technological world, technology has opened up some possibilities to all of us. Even in the marketing world, there are opportunities to embrace new media, such as video. What is marketing and video marketing, and how can it impact your business? Marketing is the process of promoting a brand, products, or services over the internet or in the public, either by using digital or affiliate means. Its broad scope includes video marketing. What is video marketing? Video marketing covers a lot of things. From television to tweets, videos are used to promote businesses and brands. Marketers all over the world have recognized the effectiveness of video, and now there are countless ways to use video to attract prospects and convert them into customers. Video marketing can be defined in digital marketing strategy context as all uses of a video's content to promote a brand, product, or service. Video marketing is also a means to include video into one's marketing efforts to promote an offer. This can be done using a full motion video or a screen capture video. Why should you use video for marketing? Video marketing is the most powerful digital marketing tool available. Video marketing is effective, and it is a very informative means of communication. Below are all the reasons it belongs in the best marketing plans. Improved SEO ranking. Today, both Google and Bing include videos in their blended search results. Video marketing has become more valuable to both small and large businesses across the country. Videos that have been uploaded to YouTube have an even greater possibility of being found by your prospective customers. This should come as no surprise, since it's common knowledge that Google owns YouTube, and YouTube is the second largest search engine on the web, right behind Google. This means that your videos receive quality backlinks. The quality of your backlinks on your website significantly improves your search engine ranking. It is persuasive. The reason video is more persuasive than other types of content is the human brain requires emotional input to make decisions. No technology is better at conveying emotion than video. Studies have shown that over 80% of people say they are more likely to buy a product after watching a video about it. The reasons why video marketing is so persuasive are: video compensates somewhat for the asynchronous problem. Video can convey emotional info, not just factual, and video testimonials combine all of the powerful elements together. Connect with your audience. Video has a distinct advantage over text because videos help your potential customers get to know you more easily than reading text. Video allows people to connect with you because they see your face, they hear your voice, and they see your personality. It's just a basic fact that emotions are better communicated through video than they ever could be through text. It's just human nature that people want to see behind your name and logo and with whom they're really dealing. They want to see the heart of who they're dealing with, and video marketing allows this like no other medium. Videos help customers feel like they know you even before they've met you. It improves email marketing campaigns. Email marketing remains one of the most effective marketing tactics available. Marketers consistently rank email as having a higher return on investment than any other marketing strategy, followed closely by SEO. What if you could double or triple the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts? That's what video does. It increases email click-through rates by 200 to 300%, ensuring that your email campaigns get the highest possible ROI. Attract more new visitors. Video marketing has been proven to attract a lot of new customers, both to your site and your social network pages, with the added benefit of improving your online branding efforts. Today, there's no shortage of video sharing sites to upload your videos to, like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, and 300 more. The best thing about all of this is that it is free to share your videos on most of the sites. The more places you upload your video, the more opportunities there are for people to find them and view them. One of the best things about social media and video marketing is that it increases the chance of your videos being shared by friends and family to new prospects quickly and easily, which can increase the chances of your videos going viral. What are video ads? Presently, what video advertising is depends on who you ask. This ambiguity possesses a negative effect on the whole ecosystem. Mass media pundits, reporters, and many companies, particularly networks entrenched in the display, claim video advertising is any digital ad that contains video, including in-banner and in-text ads. A video ad is a commercial or public video that plays on a website for marketing or informational purposes. A video ad is just like a television commercial, except it's on a website instead of on a TV, and users choose to watch it to learn more about a business, its products, etc. Video ads, pros and cons. Pros of video ads. Delivery speed. The biggest benefit of a video ad is that it enables a business to deliver the most pertinent information and their product or service in less than 1 minute. This makes video ads a very useful tool for businesses with complex products. Grabs attention. Video ads also allow the business to sum up the key points of their company and grab a viewer's interest before the visitor is tempted to leave the website. Mobile. With the never-ending rise of mobile devices connected to the internet, video ads can now travel with the consumer. It does not matter where they go. As long as there's an internet connection, they'll be able to see your ad. Worldwide reach. There are a handful of countries where broadband is not available and content restrictions are in place. For the most part, though, your online video campaigns can span the globe. Create content that goes viral, and your global business can explode overnight. Cons of video ads. Ad skipping. Some of the most commonly used buttons online are the ones that allow users to skip an ad or simply close it altogether. Unless you create something that people want to watch over and over again, which is unlikely, you're going to be relying on people sharing your content to get the word out. Improper placement. There are likely to be certain types of sites where you do not want your ads to appear, but controlling where they are shown depends on your ad distribution channel. For some channels, this can be a challenge. Timing. You need to think about your target market and plan your ads accordingly. If you are looking at attracting college-age kids, your ad will be fruitless if it displays during school hours. Sure, your ad server supports some smart scheduling scheme, so the ad is displayed at the right time.